Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to continue the last class. So, the last class we have completed transmission media, that guided media we have completed. So, what does mean by guided media? It is an wired transmission. It has three types: coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and optical fiber. In the twisted pair cable, it has two types: unsealed twisted pair cable, sealed twisted pair cable. The next we are going to see this unguided media today. Unguided media means it is an wireless transmission. Let us see how we will transfer the data without wire. The wireless transmission, it has three ways, four ways you can transfer the data. The first one is radio wave, the second one is microwave, the third one is infrared, the fourth one is satellite. Radio wave, it is an omnidirectional. It is a multicast communication also. That microwave, using the antenna we can transfer the data. Microwave, it is little bit higher than the radio wave. The next one is infrared. Infrared, these waves we can use only that inside the room, like your TV remote. These signals cannot penetrate the walls, so we can use only the particular limited area, that is like your TV remote. Satellite, through the satellite we can communicate all over the world. Let us see, the first one is radio wave. Radio waves, it is an omnidirectional antenna. Can you see the image? This is an radio antenna. It can absorb the signals from all the direction, okay, and it will pass the signals to other devices also. So the frequency range between 3 GHz and 1 GHz. It is used for multicast communication, for example radio and television. Microwaves, this frequency up to 1 and 300 GHz, it is used for unicast communication such as cellular phones, satellite networks, and wireless connection. Wireless LAN network, we can use these microwaves for this type of transmission communications. The first image, can you see the image? This is an antenna. It focusing the signal and it receiving the signal and sending the signals. So this is what antenna. The next one is horn antenna, that is an wave guide. It will absorb that data and it will send back to that. It will send a reply. The next wave is satellite microwave. So satellite, it is an microwave. Through this we can transfer the data from one place to another place. How we are using the satellite? Satellite, through the antenna it will receive the signals. The antenna, it will receive the signals. That means, what is the signal it will receive? It will receive that electromagnetic energy and it will convert the energy to and send. So on the another destination and that side, the antenna receive that energy and it will convert them to original message. We'll see that image, then you can understand clearly. It is height of 35,784 kilometer. It's spaced at least 3 to 4 apart, because we have to place the satellite between 3 to 4, spaced at least 3 to 4 apart, and we can use this for television, long distance telephone, and private business network, and global positioning also. Infrared. Infrared frequency range between 300 GHz to 400 gigahertz. That means it cannot penetrate walls. Imagine you are using your TV remote. Can you use TV remote? For example, you are your TV in the hall, but you are sitting in the room and you are using the TV remote, you are changing the channel. Is it possible to change the channel? No, because the signals cannot penetrate the walls. It is only you can use the limited place. Okay. It is used for short range communication in a closed area using line of sight propagation. We cannot use the other side. This is called as what? Infrared. It is only a short range of communication. It is an end line of sight, and it is blocked by walls. No license requires for that infrared. And we can use, for example, TV remote control, IR integrated receiver decoder port. IRD means what? Integrated receiver decoder port. That place we are using that infrared. Only it is a limited place, short range we can able to use. Antennas. Antennas, it has an electrical conductor used to radiate or collect electromagnetic energy. Have you seen that antenna? See, this is called as what? This is called as what? Antenna. Yes, it has electromagnetic energy. It has an electric conductor. Antenna has an electric conductor to collect electromagnetic energy. So that one antenna, it has two, transmission antenna and receiver antenna is there. Transmission antenna, what it will do? The radio frequency energy from transmitter. It will get the radio frequency energy from transmitter, and it will convert that electromagnetic energy, and it will radiate it surrounding by the environment. So the receiver antenna, it will receive the electromagnetic energy, and it will convert it into the radio frequency energy, and it will send to the receiver. We'll see that example. This is satellite antenna, earth station. Here also one antenna. So antenna has both transmitter and receiver. So the transmitter antenna, it has an electric conductor. It will collect electromagnetic energy, and it will convert it will send to the another antenna. The receiver antenna, it will receive the electromagnetic energy and convert into the radio frequency, and it will send back to the receiver. This is one point-to-point link. Satellite broadcast link, that means we can use the satellite we can use the satellite antenna to send the data to multiple users. This is what? Transmitter. We are sending that electromagnetic energy, the antenna. So the antenna will it will broadcast the message to that multiple users. So the receiver antenna, it will receive the message of electromagnetic energy, and it will convert to the radio frequency, and it will use the message. So that transmitter, it will send the data. The satellite antenna receive the data, and it will send the message to that multiple users, multiple receivers. This is wireless propagation ground wave. Have you seen that image? This is here we are transmitting the data's signal propagation. It is going, and it will receive the receiver antenna, it will receive the signal. Wireless propagation of line of sight. Have you seen that? This is the image. It is above 30 megahertz. The signals like this, receiver antenna is receiving. Multipath interference. This is microwave line of sight. Have you seen that microwave? See here, one sender and receiver. The sender sending the data. See, this is like a microwave. Our data is transferred through the microwave to the receiver. So the receiver receives the data, and it will send back to the sender. The next one is mobile ratio. How our mobile is working. This is the main server, and we are sending the data. So satellite, it will receive the message, and it will find out the nearest path, and through the path it will send to the data. It will send the data to the destination device. The next one is comparison of media. So we have completed that unguided media and guided media. So what are the things we have seen in the unguided media? Unguided media means it is an wireless transmission of data. The first one is radio waves. Radio waves, it is an omnidirectional antenna. We can use this radio waves for radio and television. And the next one is microwave. Microwave, it is an unidirectional. It is an unidirectional, and we can use this microwaves for wireless LAN connections. The next one is satellite. Satellite, it has an electric conductor. It has both a transmitter and receiver. Transmitter has an electric conductor and it will send the electromagnetic energy. And the receiver receive the electromagnetic energy, receiver antenna, and it will convert into the radio frequency. So the satellite, it has both receiver transmitter antenna and receiver antenna. We'll see the comparison of media. The first one is UTP. That means what? Unsealed twisted pair cable. The cost is low, but speed is 1 to 100 meter. Attenuation. Attenuation means what? The leaking of signals. It is high in the unsealed twisted pair cable. Why? Because it is unsealed. When you twist the cable, the probability will increase. That means the signal will leak. That crosstalk will occur. So that is called as what? Attenuation. Interference high and security also low. Next one is STP. That means what? Sealed twisted pair cable. It is cost is medium. We can use this cable for 1 to 150 meter. It is attenuation high, the signal leaking, and interference medium. We can security also low. The next one is coaxial cable. It is medium. We can use 1 megahertz to 1 kilobytes. That attenuation medium, interference medium, and the security also low. The fiber optical cable, the cost is high. We can use 10 to 10 megahertz, 10 meter to 2. Then attenuation low. Here signal leaking low, and it provide the high security of the data. It provide the high security of the data. So transmitting the data very securely, high transmission, we can use this fiber optical cable. The next, radio waves. It is a medium of cost. It varies some attenuation and interference also high, and the security low. Microwave, we can use this microwave, cost high, 1 to 10 speed, and it varies attenuation. That means signals also leaking some side, and security medium. Satellite, it is cost high, security medium, and cellular, it is high cost only, but it provide the low security, and the attenuation is low. So this the comparison of the media. What we have completed? Guided media, unguided media. In that 4 mark question, they will ask 1 mark about that transmission media. So if you want to transfer the high speed of data, that means you can use fiber optic cable. Okay. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.